young student once shared with us that coming to Whitfield let him see nature, understand nature better, and then begin to love it. All of that changed on April 11th, 2022, as high winds fanned the flames of a wildfire in the adjacent Rio Grande Bosque, engulfing 75% of the 97 acres of this treasured community asset.
Hi, my name is Laura McCann. I'm the environmental educator for the Valencia Soil and Water Conservation District. Our mission at the district is to provide education, assistance, and recognition to stewards of the land in the area of natural resource conservation. One of our assets at the district is the Whitfield Wildlife Conservation Area.
Before the Big Hole Fire of April 2022, students from local schools and other visitors enjoyed exploring and learning in our outdoor classrooms. Whitfield is the only wildlife conservation area in Valencia County, New Mexico, that provides an extensive environmental education program for youth and adults. For example, Whitfield has been visited by countless students on field trips, learning about the natural world from our education team, often amongst old-growth trees, such as our 100-year-old cottonwood tree, affectionately known as the owl tree. Historically, the lands of Whitfield have been home to groves of magnificent old-growth native trees, such as the cottonwood and black willow. Now we are asking for your help. Although many of our old-growth trees are sadly lost forever, we want to inspire hope by planting trees to replace what was lost, and by rebuilding our outdoor spaces for students and the public to enjoy.
With your help, we can achieve this goal. On behalf of the Valencia Soil and Water Conservation District, we thank you for your support of our mission and our restoration plans. We hope you're as inspired as we are to conserve this unique location for outdoor exploration now and into the future.